Hi, I'm Ram Gopal from ArteRamgopal.com. As content creators, many times we struggle with questions like, what kind of videos should I create for my YouTube channel? How do I come up with ideas for YouTube videos? How do I structure my content for YouTube videos, etc.? In this video, I'll show you the simplest and the easiest content formula to create your YouTube videos. You can easily create interesting content in a matter of minutes, even if you are a beginner or an experienced video creator using this simple content formula. The content formula is X plus 3. What is X plus 3 content formula? I'll tell you. But before that, if you are new to this channel, we help online course creators market their courses like a pro. So if you are an online course creator or planning to be one, please consider subscribing to this channel. Now let us jump right in to understand the X plus 3 content formula. First of all, there is magic to number 3. Have you ever heard of the Latin phrase omne trium perfectum? It means everything that comes in threes is perfect. You see, as human beings, our working memory has limitations in terms of the number of things we can process in one go. But studies have shown that most people can understand and remember 3 things. That is the reason why you would see that most popular stories are woven around 3 characters. Like say 3 Musketeers, or 3 Little Pigs, or Goldilocks and the 3 Bears. Even brand slogans use 3 words. Impossible is nothing, says Adidas. Just do it, says Nike. McDonald's says, I am loving it. KFC says, finger licking good. Tesco says, every little helps. Panasonic says, ideas for life. Can you see it? Even politicians use 3 words in their slogans. Obama used, yes, we can. Mahatma Gandhi used, do or die. Can you see there is magic in number 3? That is the reason why our content formula revolves around X plus 3 as its structure. Now, how do we use X plus 3 content formula? It's very easy and intuitive. In fact, I'll give you 10 different ways to use X plus 3 content formula, and I'll also give you examples for each type so you can understand the different types quite easily. By the time we finish this exercise, you will be inspired to come up with your own variations. Are you ready? Let's go to the first way to use X plus 3 content formula. 3 tips about X. Some examples of this type are 3 tips to overcome stage fright. 3 tips to improve the yield of tomatoes in your home garden. Another way to use X plus 3 is 3 ways to do X. Some examples are 3 ways to create lead magnets. 3 ways to grow your email list. The third way to use X plus 3 formula is 3 benefits of X. Some examples are 3 benefits of using jump ropes to lose weight. 3 benefits of green tea. The fourth way is 3 problems of X. Example, 3 problems with paleo diet. 3 problems with cloud services. The fifth way is 3 mistakes while doing X. Example, 3 mistakes while practicing intermittent fasting. 3 mistakes while applying custom animation in PowerPoint. The sixth way to use X plus 3 formula is 3 steps to reach X. Example, 3 steps to preparing a farewell speech. 3 steps to tidying up your workspace. The seventh way of using X plus 3 is 3 types of X. For example, 3 types of migraine treatment that works. 3 types of video titles that get attention. The eighth way is 3 alternatives to X. For example, 3 free alternatives to PowerPoint to create your next slide deck. 3 healthy alternatives to morning coffee. Ninth way to use X plus 3 is 3 examples of X. For example, 3 examples of one-page marketing plan. 3 examples of microwave baking. The 10th way is 3 people who achieved X. For example, 3 people who turned around sick business units and how they did it. Or 3 banks that lost their license and why. Can you see, it is so easy to use X+3 content formula. What I gave you are just a few examples. I'm sure you can come up with so many more. In fact, I want a favor from you. Can you think of other different ways in which we can use X+3 content formula? Please share your ideas in the comment section below. So anybody who watches this video can look into those ideas as well and get inspired. To make it easy for you to refer to the 10 different ways of using X+3 content formula, I've included a download link in the description box below the video to the Google Slides document that I used in this presentation. You can click on the link and download the Google Slides document as a thank you from our side for being a subscriber. By the way, did you like our X+3 content formula? If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and also share it with your friends. If you are an online course creator, please hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon next to it so that you can be intimated about any new videos we create in this channel. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.